Welcome to Biomania. Today's topic is types of chemical reaction. So let's begin. Okay. Types of chemical reactions. There are mainly 5 types of chemical reaction. Number 1 is combination reaction. Reaction. As the name suggests, combination means there is combination of 2 or more substances to form a product. So combination means A plus B giving rise to AB. We can understand combination reaction with the help of example of calcium oxide and water. When calcium oxide, it is also called as quick lime, reacts with water, it is giving rise to, or you can write like this, it is giving rise to calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is also called as slake lime, plus it is giving rise to heat. Calcium oxide called as quick lime is formula is CaO plus water H2O, and it is giving rise to calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH whole bracket 2 plus lot of heat is given out. So this is a combination reaction where calcium oxide or quick lime is mixing with water or reacting with the water, or you can say combining with water to give calcium hydroxide and lot of heat. Calcium hydroxide is called as slake lime. Okay. So we can say with the help of this example, again I want to define the combination reaction. Combination reaction is the reaction in which 2 or more reactant combine together to form a single product. There are 2 reactant and 1 product. Okay, so this is a combination reaction, and in the combination reaction lot of heat energy is given, and in the reaction where the lot of heat is given, that is called as exothermic reaction. So the heat is given, so it is a exothermic reaction. Composition. Second one is decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, a single reactant breaks down to form a product. As you can see from the word decompose, D means to break. Composition, we are breaking the composition. Here the single reactant is breaking down into many products. So decomposition is a process. It is a process in which single reactant breaking into many products. Single reactant is breaking into many products. Decomposition, something is decomposing. So we can understand decomposition reaction with the help of example of ferrous sulfate crystal. Ferrous sulfate is 2FeSO4. You are heating, and it is giving rise to ferric oxide. This is ferric oxide plus sulfur dioxide. This is sulfur dioxide then sulfur trioxide. This is sulfur trioxide. So you can see ferrous sulfate due to heating gets decomposed into 3 products: ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So the decomposition is the reaction in which single reactant is converting into many products. Okay, other example of decomposition you can see the heating of the limestone, CO3, CaCO3. This is called as limestone. Okay, this limestone when you heating is giving rise to calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is called as quicklime plus carbon dioxide. CO2 gas is also released. So you can see that the single limestone, that is CaCO3, on heating give rise to calcium oxide or it is called as quicklime. This is calcium oxide, quicklime. Thermal decomposition. Now let's understand what is thermal decomposition. Thermal means heat. So here the decomposition is carried out with the help of heat. So it is called as thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition is the process in which the decomposition is carried out with the help of heat. Other example of decomposition, you can take the example of electrolysis of water, where the water is split into oxygen and hydrogen. I hope you would have understood up till now. We have seen combination reaction and decomposition reaction. In the next video, we will study other types of chemical reaction. Okay, so till then, goodbye.